They have one that's got, but this would drive me nuts. It's like a little fan that you hang on.
Oh yeah, no. That's a little too much.
Well, if I ever find one, I will pass the link on to you.
Okay.
For some reason, this one isn't quite as
It's
ticklish.
ticklish.
as the other.
That's good. I just packed up all of my crochet stuff.
Oh.
'Cause
Yeah, I
was
go
like,
in
"Ugh."
spurts, you know. Like in the winter times, I do a lot because it's, you know, not as hot. You sit there with an Afghan on your lap.
Mhm.
When I am invited to like a baby shower, I make a blanket and I paint on the onesies. I make the card and then I crochet borders on a flannel to make a real pretty blanket. And then I even decorate the bag. And I never use the registry. Sorry, people.
Right.
See, this is what I don't like about getting old. See, my little veins are all poppy up here.
Yeah.
They didn't used to be that way.
No.
You get older and it's like, God, it's so frustrating. You know, toesy-woesy, their feet don't look so pretty.
Yeah, there's a lot of changes to get used to.
My favorite is that one hair on my chin that's like a nail.
I have one hair on the side of my face that grows out. It's
It's a
completely
nail.
white.
It's a nail. It's weird.
It's like a white whisker.
Oh, yeah.
It's like I'm turning into a kitty cat or
And I have a
something.
translucent one up here. Seriously, I was driving once and I saw like a light. And I go, where's it coming from? I have been known to stop at CVS. Now I keep tweezers in the car and my purse.
The car is the best.
Because I have been known to stop at the nearest drugstore. Then, you know, if you don't do it, then you're driving and it's like obsessive.
Oh, yeah.
You're touching it the whole day.
Yeah, one day I was doing nails and I kept feeling this tickle and I thought I had a piece of cotton stuck to my face somewhere. No, it was long hair that was like on my lip. It was like 2 inches long. I'm like, why didn't anybody tell me
I know, I was just going to
this?
say, it's like you're so mad at people. It's like, why didn't you tell me I have a 14-foot hair growing on my chin?
There's different kinds of lotions and different products in that Imperial Feet line.
Mm-hmm.
And I would say that with your feet, like your feet are in good condition, but the bottoms of your feet are really dehydrated, like deep. And I think it probably is from wearing the Crocs with the cork.
Mm-hmm. The burps and everything.
Yeah. Or like I have an allergy to the kind of material that Crocs are made out of.
Mm-hmm.
They just make my feet sweat really, really, really bad, and they make them really dry. So this is the Urea Foot Balm, and it soaks in really good, and it has urea in it, and it helps the best with moisture and retention.
Do you sell that product? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, I put cream on, but some cream, who knows, Jergens doesn't work right, and it just seems you put it on, and then 2 seconds later you got flakes showing again. And it's like, no, I need something a little bit more. But I don't wear shoes where my feet are enclosed, like gym shoes, or because I get so incredibly hot. Like, I can hardly wait until I don't have to wear socks anymore.
Right.
Because, like, oh, that's too hot.
Yeah, when the cracks are deep like this, but you don't have like a lot of callus buildup, that Urea Foot Balm is what you need, for sure.
Because I was going to ask you about that, because like I said, I've even put baby oil. And, you know, I put like plastic gloves on and get the baby oil to try to get it into my skin, and it just... I woke up this morning, my hair was sticking out in like 10 places. I went, God, I didn't have time to wash it because it, you know, took almost an hour to get here, and I hadn't planned it that way. So I just kind of curled it and stuck it on it.
I went to bed with wet hair last night, and I have natural curly hair, so
Oh,
when
yeah,
I
me
woke
too.
up, my hair was wild.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Curly hair, just so much fun. And both of our daughters have curly hair. The one, though, has spiral curls.
Oh, beautiful.
And then my 2 granddaughters have spiral curls that are natural. And it's like, you know. This is the best part.